although that this club has quite a bit of loft on it, this is a sand wedge, although this club has quite a bit of loft on it, I can actually hit it quite a good distance, but still not have the ball go up in the air like a wedge typically does. So in order to hit that low shot, I'm actually going to take my hands. Remember how we talked about in that bunker shot a few weeks ago, you actually take your hands right on top of it? Well, here in this shot, you're actually going to take your hands, you're going to move it forward. You see what it does to that club face, like how it shuts it down, and it turns that 56 or whatever on that loft might be down to more like could be like an 8 or 9 iron kind of loft. So in doing so, when I take my hands, I get them out there in front like that, de-lofts the club. See how that's much lower than that typical wedge height is. So in order to do that, like I said, I'm leaning that shaft towards the target. And when I take my hands and take the shaft and lean it towards the target, my hands also go that way, if you see that as well. So something also too that you'll probably notice that when I hit this shot, see where my club finishes there? See how my hands are still out there in front of the ball? I just make a very, very good point that when I'm coming through, hands are in front, hands are in front, hands are in front. My hands beat the club head to the ball. You guys understand what I mean by the hands beating the club head to the ball there?
Yeah, they're in there in front of the ball before.
Exactly. So those hands are out there in front, in front, in front, in front, in front, in front. Something that will allow you to kind of help do that. Again, you're not necessarily taking your golf grip, but if you take two clubs, hold it like this, you hold it just right here, right next to you, there's no way that you can flip it because you're going to give yourself a nice bruise on the side if you do so. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So if you take those clubs, you hold them just like so, and you make that chipping motion. See how that club head never gets past my hands unless I get to the very end after I've already made contact with the ball. So if I take this practice swing, hands are in front, in front, in front, in front, in front, in front, in front for as long as it matters, and then obviously afterwards, your hands can get past it. That's something I just want you guys to kind of work on there. Just kind of work on, although this club does have quite a bit of loft, get those hands in front, let the hands beat the club head to the ball. And I think that'll help you guys kind of hit some of those lower shots. You won't have to take as big of a swing, and I think you'll be able to get up that hill a little bit more consistently.
Where's your weight at? Is your weight towards your front?
Yeah, you definitely want your weight more on your front foot, and definitely on a line like you've got here.
Kind of got them.
Yeah, it makes it a little bit more easier to lean into that hill as well. So again, leaning towards the target, weight here on this side. Hands are in front, 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 front. And I can kind of hit that low shot, and it gets up the hill a lot more easier than if you're going to take it and you're going to throw it up much higher.